today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate a task in Asana. If you've built a task with just the right subtasks, attachments, and details, duplicating it saves you from setting all that up again from scratch. It's perfect for repeating work. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. Now I'll open the task I want to copy. Hovering over a task reveals a Details button, and clicking it opens the full task pane on the right. Up in the top right of this pane, there's a row of icons, and the 3 dots on the end open a menu of more actions. I'll click those 3 dots now. This menu has all sorts of powerful options, but the one we want is right here, Duplicate Task. I'll click on it. And this opens the duplicate window, and I really like how much control it gives you. At the top is the name for your new task, already filled in for you. And below, a whole list of things you can choose to carry over, the description, subtasks, attachments, tags, dependencies, and more. Just tick or untick whatever you need. Let me give this copy a clearer name. I'll rename it to Weekly Status Report. Now, once you're happy with your selections, you just click the blue Create New Task button down in the corner. I'll do that now. And there it is. A brand new task appears. A complete copy of the original, with everything you chose to include, ready for you to tweak. The original task stays completely untouched. So to recap, open your task's details, click the 3 dots menu, choose Duplicate Task, name your copy and pick what to include, then click Create New Task. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.